here, Sid. Show me. Show me what you got. Come here. Come here. Sid, Sid. Come here. This could go very wrong. There's a lot to navigate for a little one. Let's move this out of your way. You gonna clean the kitchen? No, no, don't eat that. Don't eat that. That's dirty. Oh, you know how to walk over there. You really like that? Here, how about come here? Come here. Come here, Sid. Aww. Come here, stand up and walk over. Look what I got. Think you can walk over here? Come here, Sid. Come here. That was a good try. Do it again. Come on. You like cucumber? Actually, wooden cucumber? Yeah, come here, show me. Good girl.
Mommy, what you're watching is not Barbie Mermaid.
It's not? Sydney, you did such a great job. Yay! Yay, Sydney. Yay!